Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel Mastering Excel with Rinku. In this channel we talk about lesser known features of MS Excel. Today's feature is combo charts. Combo charts are the charts where the data is a little mixed type of values and there are two axes involved in it, primary axis and secondary axis. For example, in this chart, we have taken the share market price and volumes traded for Reliance Industries for the period of 30th July to 27th August 2021. Now, prices and volumes are different type of values, hence we will use a combo chart over here. To create a combo chart, we will select the data, go to Insert, Recommended Charts, All Charts, Combo Charts, and here it is. As we can see, the shares is a line graph and it is very high. So it has suppressed the prices graph. So we will change the closing price to clustered column and we will take the secondary axis marked shares. The chart is now looking better. All the prices are in clustered column and on the primary axis, whereas volumes are depicted on the right side on the secondary axis. We'll say OK. The chart is created. We will move it away from the data and format it a little bit. So first of all, I'll select the chart area and change the color of text to black and font to Arial. Then I'll change the chart title by double clicking in the box to combo chart. This is all optional and you can leave it if you want. As we can see here, the data has taken weekends by itself and holidays. I'll highlight them. Now I'll add axis titles. First is the primary axis, horizontal axis. I'll rename the axis to Reliance Industries August 21. Now I'll change the primary vertical axis, rename it to share prices in rupees. Similarly, we will add secondary vertical axis and rename it to share traded. The legends are down. We'll take it to up to make it more legible. So this is all about combo charts. Now the quiz time. How can you add data labels to this chart? Please write your answers in the comment section below. To know more about such features of MS Excel, please refer to my book A to Z of MS Excel. It is available on Amazon. For paperback copy, you can directly contact me. The details for both are given in the description box below. If you're liking my channels, please subscribe to it and share it with your friends. If you're liking this video, please push a like button and share it with your friends. Thank you and have a nice day.